CNC manufacturing, the final coating layer often defines how a component performs. Various coatings play a crucial role in protecting surfaces, controlling light reflections, resisting wear, and extending lifetime of every part. All coatings begin as a liquid or fine powder. After application, they are transformed by heat or chemical processes into a solid bonded layer. Different technologies serve different purposes. Powder coating builds a strong, uniform outer layer. Ceramic coatings withstand extreme heat, chemicals, and abrasion. Anodizing reinforces aluminum from within, creating stable, durable surfaces. Nickel plating adds precision, protecting even the most complex geometries. Some coatings are designed to absorb light, reducing reflections and improving clarity in optical systems. All these coatings are often just microns thick, yet their impact on metal or plastic parts is long-lasting. They stabilize, protect, and ensure reliability over time. So if you're looking for expert coatings workshop, contact the Extra Mile team. We evaluate, advise, and deliver for any project.